Hey guys, I'm putting this video on hoping someone can help me solve my problem. I've got a 2000 model Bombardier GTX Millennium Edition and I let it sit in the water all winter long. I neglected it a little bit and pulled it out of the water because I figured, the battery's dead and I got to get it cleaned up and everything for summer. But it's got 108 hours on it, but it's always run good with just regular tune-ups and maintenance. This year I got a problem to where I can't get it to turn over. I've got a fresh battery on it. Everything's hooked up. Plugs and everything look good. I took them out there and cleaned them, put them back in. I'll probably replace it, but for now I just want to see if I can get it turned over. One thing that I saw, well, this is what it does. This is what it does. It just, when I go to start it, okay, first of all, that's what it says, normal stuff there. Let me run through the modes here. I don't know if you need to see anything on here, but 108 miles on it. Okay, alright, this is what it does when I try to start it. Just a clicking sound. Nothing's moving. So I don't know, maybe a starter. What I did is I started digging a little bit in this box right here, this square black box. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's got the end connection for the spark plugs in it, as well as the connection for the battery. It goes into here. Anyways, I took that cover off and took that whole box out actually, and that had water in it, and it was about a half an inch of water. It's pretty thick, and stuff was looking like it was starting to corrode a little bit. So I took all that apart and I cleaned it up, dried it out, put it in the sun for a few hours, and dried it out and put it back in. I mean, it looked like it was pretty shiny when I put it back together, and I was hoping maybe it was just grounding out or something, but still I get this tick 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 every time I press the button. So if someone could help me, kind of let me know what to look for, what to check, what might be burned out, I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot.